4.71. We secured a TP port. I was out on a break even. Nevertheless, we hope for another one. Look at my chart. I'm on a 30 minutes time frame now. As you can see clearly, let me show you what I'm anticipating for BTCUSD. There's a first touch here. Up to this zone. We have a second touch here. So I'm anticipating or looking out for a third touch at this zone, at this level, for a more push up to the upside. So I'm looking out for a third touch. That's BTCUSD 1:7. If it plays out well, then let's move down to gold. Good. I won't delay much of your time. Just a quick cap. Market will soon open. Let's start from the weekly time frame. Gold has been bullish. You all can see that. Bullish. Daily time frame. This is what really happened. Alright, let's mark out the higher high and higher low from the daily time frame. From the weekly time frame, sorry. Here is the higher high. Then here is the higher low. Weekly time frame on gold. These will kind of help us mapping out zones to see the reactions that will actually take place in the coming week. Our weekly time frame, higher high on gold, higher low on gold. This is for our time frame. This is also a zone. This is also a zone. This is a demand. This is a order block that gold expected to push up to the upside. Yeah. And there is a fair value gap here at the top. Let me mark out the fair value gap. Here is a fair value gap. I'm seeing a fair value gap here. From the 4 hours time frame. If gold should break out this zone, we are likely to see more push up to the upside. Alright guys, we are likely to see more push up to the upside. Let's go down to 1 hour time frame, and also looking more for buys. That's if gold obeys our or plays out. It's not really obey, but once it plays out, these are zones, emotional zones that we should be looking out for. Let me go back to 4 hours time frame again. Okay. We have a strong momentum on gold. On gold, even if we should look out for more buys, This is a zone you should anticipate for more buy on gold. You should wait or know if market will come back to this demand zone before you can anticipate for more buys. We can also use a trend line to actually see. Hope you can see that clearly. This is what I'm looking at on gold. These are key zones. I can never tell, but we do our analysis and wait for market to play out. Yeah, this is good on a 15 minutes time frame. Actually, also if gold should pull and break out, uh, if gold should break this trend line before we can actually do anything. Let me pick a pattern. Sorry, before you can do anything from here, as you can see clearly, there was oh, let me show you something. There is a touch here. There is a touch here. These gold movements. If gold should pull up to the upside, you can actually wait for a retest below this trend line for more push up. Hope you understand. This is actually for the buy. This is actually for the buy. Hope you can clearly see this, guys. Let me shift down to 30 minutes. Anything that we are doing, since market is on up to the upside, wait for a breakout, a retest before you can enter a trade. And due to this fair value gap at this point, is also a monster zone. And do you see that our break and retest really occurred in that zone? You can set your stop loss below. I trust you should understand what I'm really doing, and I believe that we all should have a good profitable week ahead. We can do 1:3 so that we can actually secure the profits and enjoy our wins. This is it. That's if it plays out, and I believe it will. A big one on gold.